This is the French 7 Explorers quiz number 1. Your first question is Comment tu t'appelles? First and last name. Then we are moving on to section 2, which is our expressions. How do you say hi to someone in French? Your options are salut, au revoir, de rien. How do you say bad? Mal, bien, pas mal, très bien. Who is a girl? Un garçon, une fille, une femme. Bonjour. Which goodbye means see you later? À tout à l'heure, à bientôt, à demain, au revoir. How would you ask someone, how's it going? Ça va? Comment tu t'appelles? Salut. How do you say thank you? À demain, à plus, merci. How do you ask someone what their name is? Ça va? Comment tu t'appelles? Bonjour. How do you say please? S'il vous plaît, merci, de rien, bonne chance. How do you say today? Soir, aujourd'hui, demain, hier. And our third section is the alphabet, or alphabet. How do you pronounce V? Is it A, B, W, or V? How do you pronounce K? K, K, K. How do you pronounce R? R, R, R. How do you pronounce E? E, ash. How do you pronounce J? J, J, K, M.